Morning. So yes, good morning. Hello, you dirty dogs. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Good morning. Nice to see you again. I'm Paddy. The day is Saturday the 10th of October, and it is 7:30 in the morning, and I'm a little bit hungover.
What a legend.
Today is the eve of an actual Ironman race. But even then, it's not really. Myself and my friend Charlie are finally going to be running the Wiltshire Half Ironman. Now the Wiltshire Half Ironman doesn't technically exist, but we're going to invent it. I'm standing here in London as the sun rises.
The sun is rising.
Glorious, look at this. Been a long old slog to get to this point. So I guess to get here, we're going to have to go back a bit. Yeah, I bet there's a riser going under me right now. I bet future Paddy's put like a riser, and then it's going to go poof. So it's now well over a year ago that I decided I wanted to do an Ironman and an ultramarathon by the time I'm 25. I want to do an Ironman and an ultramarathon by the time I'm 25. But obviously we've had a few complications since then. We were signed up for a half Ironman in Sweden. That then got canned due to COVID. We then got it moved to the Luxembourg half Ironman, which was meant to be this weekend, but that also got canned.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
We have, well, I say we, my friend Charlie, rather gallantly has devised a route, going from, I think, starting with a sea swim in Southampton, and then cycling from Southampton up towards Salisbury direction, and then I don't know where we're running. It's been a really long slog to deciding to starting this whole journey of wanting to complete these races to the point I'm at now. Yeah, and there's excitement to be found in the journey. That's where the growth has happened. In the journey. Look at me getting all soft on the eve of the Ironman. I think I'm just shitting myself. I just want to get it done. We'll get it finished. So yeah, I guess that's me. Ironman 70.3 Wiltshire. Here we f***ing go. So, all packed up, ready to go. We've got gels and nutrition-y stuff. Gonna load all this up, go get some breakfast with the boys. Write the will. It's getting cold outside. That's the biggest worry. Cold. Anyway, I didn't want to be in the video. Go and do a little.
Hey, just gonna speak to the camera. Speak to all my fans out there. So I'm just here. It's Saturday. Just went out for breakfast, and yeah, we went to the Shoom. It was really great. I'm here with my friend Paddy. Paddy, say hi. Oh yeah. So he's actually about to go do an Ironman. Do you guys know what that is? It's not recording. It's not recording.
There's a flashing red light on the red light there.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
So I've got like an interview, so I'm gonna say here.
Oh, wait, do I look over here?
Future Ironman. What's the plan of attack for the bike?
What? Spin the wheels. Consistent power. Nice high heart rate. I'm a bit nervous actually.
Bounce like that, roll right now. Hey. Bounce.
Charlie's mighty steed. It's much better than my bike. And that's the argument we're going to go for. Charlie's going to win because he's got a better bike. Here's my steed. Cool. This is quite scary. So today we're going to load the bikes up now and then go scout the route. Sea swim just off Southampton. bike from Southampton to Warminster, and then run around Warminster. Should be fun.
Dear, oh, I mean a matador. Got women catching piss like a catheter. You're so crazy. I should have said Kelly. I should have said only in this piece with the belly. I should have said we only carry a piece when they're jelly. Get the women in the telly and everybody be mellow. Women, they be mellow. Rolling up, sipping jello. Women be saying hello. My homies be screaming, yeah.
I believe in you. To do what you want to do. Whether that's back out the last minute, that's fine.
Hey girl, yeah.
Well, here we go. Fuck. Yeah, we'll go car park. The car park at the end. We're gonna try T1.
T1.
T1's the official name.
Remains transition 1, I think.
T1.
P1. Oh, I'm scared. God.
That's where that little corner there is where it is.
So we're going from there
So yeah.
to here. So that'll be the swim.
Low tide is at 11:50. Wait. Oh no, that's in America.
That's in America.
So high tide's at 7:15, and then low tide's at 12:15. So I guess if we get here like.
So we're now doing a bit of a scout of the bike route, which is going to be from here to here through Salisbury, up to Warminster. Have we gone wrong? So we're just coming through Dinton, which is my hometown, and this is like as Charlie was saying, this is the test. This is going to be where the men are separated from the little girls. So we got this hellish climb, which goes up here for a bit, then stops, she flattens out, and then it goes up again further.
Oh,
goodness. She's steep.
It's not funny.
This is a dodgy little. We were facing this guy. Yeah. So yeah, we'll have done the swim and then about 85k to this point.
Yeah.
And then we have to do this to finish off the bike. You scared?
That was a steep hill.
Oh, it is glorious though. Once we get up here,
Oh,
it'll all be worth it. We're dropping down and go back up again. Oh! Ah! Mate, I think it goes up again. Oh my god, it does. We're still not on top. There's the payoff. Glorious payoff. That's pretty lovely. See, that's gonna be that'll be nice.
It's nice. At least we get to go down.
Wetsuit. Dry suit. Dry suit. I think that's me. So yes, now at my family home, it's like genuinely quite scary.
It's very lovely.
Yeah, so we drove the cycle and run route, and it's quite terrifying now that we've seen it. But yes, it's all come down to this. I'm excited, looking forward to doing it and completing it. I think it's just gonna be a case of getting out on the course. We've just drawn a line from the ocean up to our house. Having fun, isn't that what they say? Isn't that what they say? Have fun with it. So I think doing a sea swim, that's probably going to put more minutes on than we would have assumed doing it in a nice quiet lake in Luxembourg with the sun beating down. So yeah, swim's probably going to take longer than anticipated. The bike, I think, surely is going to take longer than anticipated. And the run, due to the bike taking longer than anticipated, will obviously take longer than anticipated. So this is the part where I throw a number down. Coming into it, I was hoping sub 6.5 hours. I really don't know what we're going to do this in tomorrow. Genuinely could be out there for 8 hours tomorrow, but I just don't know. So let's be semi-optimistic. I'd like to finish the swim in an hour or under. I'd like to finish the bike in 4.5 hours. And then the run, so 2 hour half marathon, I think would be respectable given the circumstances of having just cycled 100 kilometers. So there's us at 7.5 hours. Ironman 70.3 Wiltshire, the first of its kind, 7.5 hours. Let's bloody do it. See you on the course. Right, good morning. Good morning, hello, what's up? How's everyone doing? You good? Good. It's 5:30 in the morning. I've got my dry suit on. Ready to get in the car. Head to the start point. Rock and roll is alive and well. Let's do it. Feeling chilling? Very good. Smooth. It's like glass. Not too much wind. Fairly terrifying looking at it. No, isn't it? That's a long way.
This is lovely.
Okay, here we go. Ironman 70.3 Wiltshire is about to begin. I need to get ready, so I'm not going to say any more. See you at the end.
Just out of the sea. We did way more than we were meant to. I think we did 2.5k instead of 1.8. Calves are fucked. Hey everyone. So I think I'm about halfway on the bike. So I've got 2 more hours. Oh, not good, Robin Hood. Whose bloody idea was this? Can't feel my left foot. Everything else, all good. So, I'm nearly done on the bike. I had a bit of a cry back there, coming up one of the hills. It's just absolutely nuts. Half marathon to come. Rock and roll is still alive and well. Right kids, I'm off the bike, onto the run. I feel okay. Okay is about as far as I'm going to go there. There's a bloody long way to run now. Rock and roll alive and well. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. It was all yellow. And just like that, it's all over. Ouch. Yeah, Ironman 70.3 plus a bit more. Fuck me, we did a good bit more than we should have done. We swam like I swam like 2.7k. Charlie somehow managed to swim like 3k. And we're meant to do 1.8k, 1.9k. Silly. But no, good day's work. A lot of cabbage chopped up out of the ground. Good yield. I think I did it in 7.5 hours. Did I say 7.5 hours at the start of the day? 7.5 hours. Yeah, it was hell. It's horrible. Hell on earth. And I guess now I've got to do the full one. Just double that. Well, take care everyone. We'll see you next time. Rock and roll will never die.